Still some light there. Spring Point Ledge. This is this is my little fishing spot. Not anymore.
It's so nice to see. Instant mood boost.
Yeah.
Just saying.
Wait, that's right now?
So that's what kind of blows my mind. That seems very light for right now.
Well, anyway. You got an angle there. Like here, the corridor on this side of this building is dark at 1 o'clock.
But we do have some storms heading our way, right?
We do. I talked for a little while. Yeah, there we go. This is like what we're looking at.
Yeah.
The Holiday Inn looks great though, which is nice.
Golden
Wind
hour,
Mountain.
baby. Yeah.
We're doing a little tour. I
love it.
I talked last week about how there was a strong signal for a storm.
Yeah.
Late in the week into the weekend. Now it's like we're getting two, but neither is what I want.
Oh.
So I'll show you a second. It's like, just give me one real storm. But anyways, that's not how it's going to be. Snow showers, David and I were just talking about these. They look pretty good. Coming across here into the mountains, probably could see a quick squall, maybe up to an inch of accumulation in the mountains. Then as it goes downhill, it'll dry out. Temperatures today, mid-30s, upper 30s. Quick 37 in Portland, 39 in Sanford, 31 in Bangor. Not bad, mixture of sun and clouds. Well, I guess for the next 15 minutes. After that, clouds, partly cloudy overnight tonight. Temperatures drop down to the 20s. Tomorrow, similar to today, it's maybe a little bit sunnier, more consistently sunny. And temperatures are right around freezing, 20s in the mountains and across northern Maine. Pretty cold tomorrow night. I think we'll drop down into the teens and we'll be right near zero. Greenville up to Caribou. You can see this model has 1 below in Caribou. So it'll be a true cold, kind of more typical mid-January night there. And so Wednesday is a sunny day, but we struggle with temperatures to get to around 30 degrees. Then clouds start rolling in here on Thursday, and here comes our next storm system. So what's going to happen initially on Thursday afternoon and Thursday night is we're going to see a little light wintry mix here as a warm front approaches. But as the warm front drives to the north, which it has been with a lot of our storms this winter, we start to bring in some warm air. It gets stuck in the mountains and foothills through Thursday night, through even early Friday. And then by Friday, say mid-morning, everybody is over to rain. There'll be some 50s out there, some decent rain, inch to an inch and a quarter. And then this is the funky part. Watch this. Then another low develops along that front and kicks back to us on Saturday afternoon as another rain and snow mix, but trending more towards the rain side of things. That looks a little strange to me, but we'll keep an eye on that. What we feel more confident about is Thursday night, starting as a mix here. Probably rain right from the beginning along the coastline. Then that rain-snow line pushes all the way up into Canada, and we're right around 50 degrees with rain and a little wind Friday, not enough to worry about. And then we'll watch that second half of the storm for Saturday afternoon. So the mountains could get 3 to 6 out of this, which sounds great until you realize there'll be 45 and raining on Friday, so it's not really going to work out. And then again, that Saturday, it's funky. It's just weird to get a low to kick off that front like that. It can happen, but I don't trust it. So I do think it'll be unsettled Saturday afternoon, Saturday night. I just don't know exactly what that's going to look like. One thing we can probably rule out at this point is one large snowstorm, which is what the pattern wanted to give us, but
a lot of people here want that
too.
Yeah,
doesn't look like it's going to happen.
All right. Thanks, Keith.